If you are wondering if you can pay with Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then the answer is yes. And to do so, first we need to check if NFC is enabled. We can go to connections in the settings, and here we have NFC and contactless payments. Let's open these settings. So make sure that this option is on at least when you are about to pay in the future. And also over here we have the default wallet app. And in my case, Samsung Wallet was selected by default, but I actually prefer to use Google Wallet, and I'm going to show you how to set up the Google Wallet instead of Samsung Wallet, because I think it is actually easier to use. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I just feel like it. So the next thing that we can do is go to the Play Store, because in this case we need to download the Google Wallet. If you actually want to try Samsung Wallet, then you can find it in the Samsung folder in the apps screen or the app drawer over here, so you can give it a try. If you open the app, you should be able to find the option to add the credit or debit card. But like I said, I'm gonna actually use the Google Wallet. So of course we want to search, and we're gonna simply type wallet. There we go. This is the one that we are looking for. Unfortunately, it is not pre-installed. This is why we need to install it by ourselves. But it is really easy to set up and download. So once we have it installed, we can just immediately open it. We can allow access to notifications, and then we can press add to wallet in the bottom right corner. Then we can simply choose payment card, and we should be able to open the rear camera in the app to scan our credit or debit card. You need to simply line it up with the frame. If you have issues with scanning the data of your card, then you can press enter details manually over here at the bottom, fill everything in, scroll all the way down, and press save and continue. After that, you should be able to finalize this process and add your debit or credit card, and now you should be able to pay with your phone. There is also two more things that I want to mention. The first thing is that we can find NFC over here in quick settings, but only if we added the button. So we can have a quick access to NFC over here. If you don't want to have this option enabled all the time, we can press on this pen icon, then go to edit, and then here in available buttons, we should be able to find NFC somewhere. Tap on it in order to add it to the list. We can press done in the top right corner twice, and here we can now easily enable and disable NFC. And the second thing is that whenever you are ready to pay, when you are about to pay with your phone, you need to remember that the phone should be unlocked. You want to unlock your phone first before you decide to pay with it. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.